I'm going to be talking about prompt engineering today. I'll start with using XML tags. XML is an acronym for Extensible Markup Language. The syntax for the tags looks like this. What these tags do is they help add structure and clarity to what you're prompting the AI to do. They enable the AI to structure the information very effectively for you. They act as an organizational tool to guide the AI tool that you're using to give you the right information. So let's give an example. There's this vague prompt that you would give an example of a vague prompt for me. Give me a summary and some key points about AI. This is vague. You may not be able to see that it's vague, but it's vague for an AI tool. So when we use XML tags, we are going to be like so these ones are kind of like how you use braces in any other language that you use. This would be like instruction. This tag, this would be the outermost tag, so it would be like the beginning, the heading of the instruction you're going to give the tool. So, and this would be the outermost. Like this is the beginning and this is the end of the task. Remember this one, the beginning one would be different from the end because there is this forward slash. So go to the next prompt. Next prompt in the tag. Next tag for the prompt would be like the task you want to give the AI to provide a summary of AI. That will be its task. And you also close that. Depending on whether you need that in a certain amount of words, you would say the length of the answer to be 100 words or any amount of words that you want. Then you can further give this task some details. So what do you want to focus on? The focus could be on history of AI and its current users. So there are more. If you want to give more details for this task, you would open a details tag, and you give another task. So if you want to be more detailed in this task, you can say, you can tell it to list 3 3K points about AI development. And you close that. I hope this makes sense. I'm not writing in a straight line. Does it make sense? You tell me if you're not understanding like it. So, you close that, but you didn't close this was the opening restaurant. So you close that also. So if you feel like you're done, you close the instructions braces, which was the outermost brace. So you see how the tabs help you to structure your information so that the AI will be more confident to give you the right answer. Yeah. So that's about it for XML tags. How much time do I have?
4 minutes.
4 minutes. Okay, let me see if I can try to do this in 4 minutes. So, we're going to be looking at cloud. You know cloud AI. So we're going to be using cloud as our case study for prompt engineering. Recently we used OpenAI, Meta, and the others, but cloud also seems to be a good source for this. So, we're going to learn basic prompt structure. So I'm not going to go into the technical details of this because they are quite technical, so I'll just give the overview. So, the prompt engineering for cloud is system prompts. And then there's a normal prompt that you would give to the AI. So system prompt, you would have to start with the normal prompt. You would be like, why is the sky blue? That's a simple prompt. Right? A system prompt would be like, you need to answer this question in this way. So it would be like, answer a question with more questions. So the AI will be giving you more questions. It won't be giving you a reason why the sky is blue. It will be giving you like more questions to answer that question. Make sense? So you can use system prompts for anything to guide your dialect tags, but if you don't want to go into the structure of tags, you will use system prompts. They are much easier to use tags. Other tags are not even as high. So there's also the user and assistant messaging style. So when you're texting or prompting the AI to work, you use it as if you're in a conversation with it. You're not like a bystander or... Does that make sense? Does it make sense? So you write a question, you give it time to answer. If it hasn't given you the feedback you want, you let it know so that it can restructure its answer. Make sense? Understand?
Your time is up.
So that would be all. Although there's a bit more, that would be all for today. Thank you very much.